Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for yesterday's US session, which was Wednesday the 29th of June. So we're going to start with the S&P, and we said we're potentially setting up a continuation pattern on the S&P to trigger that we needed a sustained break with momentum below 37.98 to 38.08. And we could look for shorting opportunities below there. We said if we saw a move higher, we had resistance at 38.82 to 38.92. So let's go have a look at the S&P from yesterday. Okay, so as you can see, it was a very choppy session on the S&P yesterday. We said to trigger that momentum trade on the higher daily time frames, we needed to get a break below this 37.98 to 38.08 zone, which is this blue zone at the bottom here, and you can see we've got a nice reversal pattern here. Liquidity grab just below the zone, liquidity grab below the London lows and stuff, and then it pushed higher. So there was an opportunity to go there from support. There with any sort of longs at the moment, these are really for advanced traders, and you want to be aggressively managing your risk. So you'd be at least to get making a trade risk free here, and with the maximum target up at this zone here. I wouldn't be looking to short above this zone. I wanted to see breaks of this zone, which we never saw. This move back down here, this did offer another reversal. I wouldn't have taken this one. It didn't take out the low from the previous low, and also a second test when potentially we were overall weak in the market, potentially got a continuation. That would have been a dangerous trade in my opinion. So I think that was the best trade of the day, that first one. And then after that, really we was looking for either this push up to continue up to that higher resistance, which was all the way up here. That would have been a good shorting opportunity. But other than that, we was looking for breaks below here, which never materialized. It has actually happened overnight, so we'll have to wait and see what happens on the US Open, and I will update with my reports shortly. Okay, now let's look at the Dow. Okay, so for the Dow, we said we needed to see a sustained break below 308.35 to 308.85, and that would trigger the continuation, a bit like the S&P, to see moves initially to 306.40 to 306.90. So let's go and have a look at the Dow. Okay, so you can see the Dow was very much similar to the S&P in terms of it was extremely choppy. The only difference being is it looks like we got our zone a little bit wrong yesterday, just because the market front run the zone, so we didn't actually get any reversal patterns from that zone. So absolutely nothing to do on the Dow Jones for us yesterday. As I say, maybe this zone was a little bit too low. If it was a little bit higher, then we had similar patterns to the S&P. But other than that, it was a very choppy session. Nothing really to do. Again, a bit like the S&P, we've broken down overnight, so we'll have to wait and see what happens. So really, on the US markets yesterday, the only opportunity that we had, as per our reports, was that initial long from the support zone on the S&P. So I hope you found this report useful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let me know what you think of the reports in the comments box below. I hope you're having a great week, and I'll speak to you again soon. Cheers.